In this video, we are going to discuss about certain question and answers of nuclear envelope. The first question says that what makes up nuclear envelope? The nuclear envelope, also known as the nuclear membrane, is made up of two lipid bilayer membrane which in eukaryotic cell surrounds the nucleus, which encases the genetic material. The nuclear envelope consists of two lipid bilayer membrane, an inner membrane and an outer membrane. Second question says that what is nuclear envelope function? Function of a nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane, sometimes referred to as the nuclear envelope, is the membrane that encloses the nucleus. The bilayer membrane is made up of lipids and encases the genetic material in eukaryotic cell. The nuclear membrane is made up of a double lipid bilayer. Do all cells have a nuclear envelope? Approximately 21,000 genes are located in the nucleus of all human cells. The nuclear envelope of an outer membrane surrounds the nucleus of a eukaryotic cell. Although prokaryotic cells have no nucleus, they do have DNA. The DNA exists freely in the cytoplasm as a closed loop. The question is, why is the nuclear envelope important? The nuclear envelope keeps the contents of the nucleus called the nucleoplasm separate from the cytoplasm of the cell. The all-important genetic material, mainly DNA, is kept separate and relatively safe from the chemical reactions taking place in the cytoplasm. The next question is, why are pores in nuclear envelope important? Nuclear pores are protein-based channels in the nuclear envelope. They regulate the movement of molecules from the nucleus to cytoplasm and vice versa. The membrane or the envelope keeps DNA safe and contains it within the nucleus. Question is, what are nuclear pores made of? The nuclear pores complex is made up of 30 different proteins known as nucleoporins. Nucleoporins are made from alpha helical regions, beta propellers and phenylalanine glycine FG repeats. What are the functions of nuclear pores? So nuclear pores are protein-based channel in the nuclear envelope. They regulate the movement of molecules from nucleus to cytoplasm and vice versa. What can pass through nuclear pores? Nuclear pore complexes allow the transport of molecules across the nuclear envelope. This transport includes RNA and ribosomal proteins moving from nucleus to cytoplasm and proteins, carbohydrates signaling molecules and lipids moving into the nucleus. What is nuclear lamina made of? The nuclear lamina is a dense 30 to 100 nanometer thick fibrillar network inside the nucleus of the most cell. It is composed of intermediate filaments and membrane associated proteins.